All right, so first off, let's talk about this whole thing when it comes to Uber's paying multiple stop wait times twice as much as what Lyft does.
This was thing I was going to bring it up, but I didn't have time. Okay, so all right, here's the deal. Mr. Gambit, are you here? No, you're not here. Or if you're here, whatever. Here's the deal. This is from an LA driver. I need you guys to pay attention to this. Okay, this is 7.6 miles, 51 minutes. Obviously, there's something that happened here. It wasn't traffic. This passenger, if you guys can see the map, wanted to stay at In-N-Out at LAX, and we know how crazy that goddamn place is. Okay, he discovered something that on the stop after 2 minutes, if you get close to the pin, there's a clock that starts after 2 minutes. And look at this is an Uber X trip, by the way. This is not like Lux or something like that. Okay. Look at the wait time that this guy got paid. He got paid 44 cents to wait on the second stop for Uber X. And look at the breakdown of the fare. Okay. Time had stopped. He waited 16 minutes or 18 minutes is too small for my eyes to read, but he got paid 44 cents to wait at the second stop, Chris. And on the first one, when you get to the passenger, 2 minutes later, the clock starts on Uber, you're getting paid 23 cents on X, which is, Mr. Vischer, if you're still watching, double of Lyft. Lyft pays 12 cents and 23 cents. Uber is paying 23 cents and 44 cents. So let's push that up a little bit, Mr. Vischer, right? So, yeah. I mean, look, this is a good thing. Now, if you're not dreading the idea of stopping at In-N-Out for like 20 minutes, at least. Look, 44 cents, Chris, times 60 minutes is what? $26 an hour. I'm like, hey, I don't care. I'll just sit here and just do whatever you need to do, right? So, yeah, this is new. Tell us if you have this on your apps yet. This is in LA. I know this is in LA now. Is it in your city? Let us know what your rates are, because this is a huge change. I like this a lot.
Yeah, no, that's definitely a lot easier of something to swallow if you have to wait for a little while. If you got to sit, for 10 minutes or so, it might be a little bit more worth it. You could turn the car off. You're sitting there waiting, and you're not using any gas, not using any money, or losing money when it comes to your car being on and running or anything like that.
44 cents.
You can sit. So, I mean, 26 an hour. Hey, maybe I'll sit at the grocery store while they go shopping at this point.
Whatever. Now it makes sense. Before it was like peanuts. Now it's like 44 cents is a lot. Now this is on the second stop, not when you go pick them up and they're making you wait. That's 23 cents. That's still peanuts. But once it stops, they add a stop. You know how when they add a stop, or like, oh, can we go through the drive-through or whatever? You go like, oh shit. If I don't do it, they're gonna hammer me. Mm-hmm. If I do it, I'm going to lose money. But now at least 44 cents a minute, I think it's pretty good for Uber X.
Yeah. I think the big thing, though, is they need to put it in the app. But the question is, are you still going to hit stop new requests so they can't do that? Because there is that little give and take there.
I don't know.
But all your stops before picking you up, not during the trip.
I don't know. No, I you know what? I'm an old timer, so if I accept the trip, I'm doing it. We'll see. I don't know. 44 cents. Okay, you know what? I'll wait. There you go. I'll wait.
Well, 44 cents, I wouldn't mind. That's more doable. Like I said, if it's 26 an hour or right around there, that's not too bad. If you're sitting there 10 minutes, turn the car off. You're sitting there 15 minutes, turn the car off. You're going to make probably just as much sitting there than you are, canceling on that particular ride and then trying to go pick up another ride. So, I wouldn't complain at that.
That's right. Yeah, I'll take
it. I'll give them thumbs up on that one.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Uber.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.